Welcome back to Brick Language and our new video series, Play, Build, Talk. Today, we are talking about describing. So around the age of 4 or 5 years old, one big language skill your child is developing is describing things. The ASL sign for describing, so you're going to take OK signs on both hands, you're going to turn them on their sides, and you're going to move them back and forth like this. This is describe or explain something. What that really means is your child is learning how to talk using things like, what does something feel like? What does it look like? What size is it? What color is it? Learning to put those categories on something to convey your thought or your story. This is a really important language skill for children and sometimes can be a very difficult one to develop. During Lego play, you can naturally learn how to use descriptors because Lego has so many different and varying looks and feels of their bricks. So instead of saying, can you hand me a brick? You might say, can you hand me the orange one? It looks like a cone. And that describes that Lego brick. Can you hand me the white brick that looks like the top of an igloo? So descriptors are used for everything we do during the day, and it really conveys your thoughts and really conveys to the listener what you're trying to say. So today, our first step and our first tip, we're going to work with color words because that is the easiest and first way we learn to describe items, by color. You can actually do this during the car time, during the bath time, at bedtime, when you're reading a story, or while you're playing with toys or Legos. Everyone has at one point, most people at one point have in the car played I spy something green. This is a great game for learning to describe, especially with your 2, 3, 4, and 5-year-olds. If they're struggling with their color words or they're struggling to talk about things, this is a great place to start. Remove all the other kinds of descriptors and just focus on color words. You can do this at dinner. Will you hand me the vegetable that's green? And then let them try to guess what you need. So here's your action item for tonight. Very simple. Grab a handful of Lego and then start to say, okay, let's play color detective. I'm going to name a brick and you're going to find it for me. And then isolate those color words so that they have practice finding those things. Then see if they can do it. It's your turn. You pick one. All of these kinds of things will really get them to where they are describing things by color. And that's just the beginning. You'll see that your child will really begin to describe things more easily once they learn what descriptors are for and how fun descriptors can be. That's it for today. If you liked what we did in our video, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that you can see the videos that we drop here on the channel. We have Lego language videos, we have Lego clearance shopping videos, we have Lego build videos, which we will be doing both of at the end of this week. So be sure you come back and check out what we've got. In the meantime, let me introduce you to my first book, Where's the Baby? This is a coloring book for children between the ages of 1 to 2, when they first start holding a crayon, all the way up to preschool, through preschool, and possibly 5 years old. If your child is struggling with spatial concepts, that's what this coloring book is. It teaches spatial concepts. You can see here, you've got big pictures. The baby hippo is in the water. And you also start working on colors. Color the hippo white. So this is a perfect opportunity to introduce spatial concepts, where things are in space. This would also be a great gift for a new mom or a gift for that speech therapist that may be working with your child. This book is available on Amazon, and the QR code is here. Or Teachers Pay Teachers, and that QR code is here. So if you have a birthday party you're going to, baby shower, if you have a speech therapist or a teacher that teaches your child and they work with little children like preschool age, this would be a great end of the year gift. In the meantime, we will see you next time. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.